In our recipe today, we are going to make Kuih Lapis, or the steamed layer cake. This is a special cake that has been made in Malaysia, and I would like to recreate this again, and in conjunction with the feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, which is a Catholic feast of the Blessed Virgin Mary, which falls on July the 16th. So it is a very honorable day for all Catholics. So let's see how this special dish to be made for this day. So I have all the flours here to make the mix up together and also to make the steam cake. So to begin with, we will add all the ingredients, especially the dry ingredients, together. For all the dry ingredients, please refer to the description box or to the beginning of the video. So with the whisk, we will mix up all together until everything is well combined and cooperated. In another big bowl, we will add 1 cup of coconut milk and also 3 cups of water. And so viewers, now we will just mix it up well, and also we will add batch by batch the flour. So I'm going to put 3 ladles of this flour, and I'm going to mix it up well until all the flour is diluted in the liquid. And at the same time, the sugar will also melt or diluted by this. And after this, we have to strain it for any lumps. So another 3. And now the rest. So this has been mixed well. Now we have to strain for lumps into another basin. With this, I'm just going to mix it up all a little bit, because rice flour and all-purpose flour will go down a little bit. So as it's a little heavy object, so now we will pour this into another basin. So just to remove all the lumps. And here viewers, I have my steam tray and a cake tray, which is an 8-inch, and I've also lined it with some frozen banana leaf. You can find them in your Chinese grocery store, and this banana leaf needs to be steamed. And dear viewers, as I was dividing the batter, so I met to add the Pandan fragrant extract. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon on each, and we mix it up. And also we will add 1 of it into some food coloring. Now we will add the food coloring. So dear viewers, I have already added half a teaspoon of food coloring, which is this, and I forgot to record it, but now we can start steaming up the steam layer cake, and also we will do it step by step. So I'll show you the next step. So now both batters is ready to steam it, so we will do it layer by layer, as I'm going to show you the next step. So dear viewers, the water is boiling, and now we can add the batter, the first layer. So before you do anything, make sure mix it up well, because this has rice. It will settle down in the bottom. So for the first part, we will pour 2 ladles of this batter, and then we will let it thicken it. We will let this cook for 10 minutes. Then after that, we will add the second layer. And dear viewers, now it's time to pour on the second layer. As you can see, it is already set. So now we can pour on the second layer. I'm just going to put 1 ladle of it, and make sure you spread it well. And we will close this, and then we will steam it for another 7 minutes. And so now dear viewers, the second layer has already been well set. So now we will add the third layer. So the third layer goes on top. And we will cover this and steam up for another 7 minutes. Dear viewers, as the third layer has been set, now we will add the blue layer and we will repeat this until the end. And dear viewers, now we shall pour the third layer and we will repeat this until the end, and I will show you the last layer after when I'm finished. And dear viewers, I have already poured the last batch right on the top. So this will steam approximately about 10 to 15 minutes. And so then after that, it has to be cooled completely before we cut. So dear viewers, now the steam cake is already out from the steamer. So now it has to be cool off completely, not room temperature. It even has to be cold. So we will wait until for at least about 4 to 5 hours or even longer than that, and we will start to demold and cut them. Hello viewers, now the Kuih Lapis or the steamed layered cake, it's already cooled off completely. So now we can unmold it. So there are ways to unmold and I'm going to show you now. First, using a spatula, we need to grease the spatula. And with this, now we will slit into the sides and then to release the center. So run through a couple of times and we should be able to unmold it now. On a dining plate, so a dinner plate, so all you need to do is flip it over and see if it comes out. Yes, dear viewers, it came out perfectly. And now we can remove the banana leaf, which is not necessary anymore, with another plate. So we need to reverse the whole thing again. So all we need to do is flip it back and we get back the top again. And with this, we have a knife and we also grease the knife. And then we can start slicing them down. So traditionally it is sliced as a diamond shape. So this is where you start doing the diamond shape by slicing the center. Dear viewers, we have come to the end of our video for this Kuih Lapis or the steamed layered cake and for the feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. And here is my presentation to you, and please take a closer look at how it was made. And I would wish everyone a happy feast, and also I would like to ask you to watch the video in full and also try it out yourself in your home. It takes some moment of patience, so please try that. And thank you very much again for watching my video. For those who are with me, thank you very much. For those who are new, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And I will be coming up with the new recipes, which I'm not sure which I'm going to do the next, but I'm coming up with some delicious recipe. So until then, thank you very much. Happy feast to everyone, regardless you're Catholic or non-Catholic or Christian or non-Christian, and happy feast and have a good day and happy celebration. See you soon. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen.